Hey everyone, Sean Ryan here. Hope everyone's enjoying the week so far and they're keeping cool with this bit of a heat wave we're on the last few days. But I'm excited to bring you another new listing, and this will be coming in the market later next week, but I wanted to give everyone a bit of a sneak peek for it. So we're at 948 Greendale Street right now in the north end of Sarnia. So that's just off of Hall Street, and we are just east of Colburn Road. So this will be on the market later next week. It is $224,900. We have a 2-bedroom bungalow with another bedroom in the basement and another bathroom as well. And this yard here too is 224 feet deep, or 228 feet deep. So it's a nice deep yard. So let's take a quick sneak peek at it. So we go to the outside of the house, so you can see the roof's been updated. All the neighbors around it, nice and clean, nice mature trees. Let's take a look at this backyard. So the nice thing about this is, you know, it's in the north end. It's $224,900, but the yard, you don't get these yards in this price range too often, and especially at this location. So this is well treed, it's nice and deep, fully fenced as well, which is great. Here we go. Yeah, so look for this later this week. We have an open house on it next Sunday, 2 to 4. It will be on the market. Showings are going to start next Thursday, so a week from now, and that is $224,900. We're at 948 Greendale Street. We're in the north end, just off of Hall Street, just east of Colburn Road. Deep backyard. You know, overall it's a pretty nice house. You know, it needs some updating obviously for this price range, but you really could move into it as is. So have a good week, everyone. Stay nice and cool, and remember, put Sean on your lawn.